Welcome, and thank you very much for taking time out to view this short video in which we will introduce the new Perfect Seal connector from Teleste. We have over 65 years experience in the design and manufacture of award-winning technologies and products, and we are proud to introduce this exciting new connector called Perfect Seal. The RF connector is in fact a critical component in a successful network. Let's start by looking at the features of the Perfect Seal connector. Perfect Seal performs better than existing screw-on F connectors and does so by reducing the twin effects of material creep and galvanic corrosion. The unique silicon seal inside the connector compresses the braid onto the connector post, thus preventing material creep and moisture ingress which lead to galvanic corrosion. The connector is available to fit common coax cable types. It has a frequency range up to 3000 MHz with Class A++ screening and our unique internal silicon sleeve. And it uses standard existing compression tools to fit it to the cable. The graph shows you the performance of the Perfect Seal connector when fitted. The black trace shows a standard screw-on F connector that has been finger tightened only. The red trace shows an F connector tightened with a tool, and the green trace shows the Perfect Seal push-on connector. The finger tightened connector and the F connector tightened with a tool are potentially at high risk of degrading badly over time, whereas due to the unique creep-free technology, the Perfect Seal connector will have a long-lasting excellent performance. And now my colleague Steve Gribby will demonstrate how easy it is to fit a Perfect Seal connector using existing tools that installers have today.
I've already prepared this with the quarter prep tool and folded the braiding back to save time. Standard pair of cutters, standard pair of, a standard stripping tool, a wire brush to fold the braiding back, and a 28mm compression tool. All standard tools available from many wholesalers. From now, I will show you how to mount the connector. First, take the cable and the plastic part. This plastic part has the black inner creep-free material. This is the part that is really magic in this connector. Push the connector over in this way, making sure it's gone well past the braiding. Then take the hard metal body, push it over as you would on any standard connector, and press it all the way home. Then take the plastic and push that inside. You'll hear a small click. When you hear that, you can then take the connector, put it in the compression tool, and fully compress. There you have the Perfect Seal connector, ready to use. So simple.